And action.
Victoria, can I help you finish this?
No, Krista, just put that there, please.
Sure. Whatever.
Hello, beautiful ladies.
Hello, Steven.
How was your day, my love?
Except for a visit from Olivia, my most favorite of Sean's bad choices, it seems that my husband is preoccupied.
What do you want, Victoria? It is 7. I'm home. I'm here. I am here. What do you need from me?
It would be nice that when I'm here, I can have your full fucking attention.
Steven, your wife is pretty upset with you right now, isn't she?
Yeah, she's on edge.
Don't worry about that. Is there anything that I could help you with today?
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Krista! If it's not too much trouble, can you answer the door, please? I'm sure Steven can manage tire removal on his own.
What is up? Why don't you just relax, Victoria?
Just stop talking to me, Steven. Actually, just get out of my sight.
You in trouble. What's up? Are y'all for real? What?
Who knows, man? I'll wash up for dinner.
What you do?
Victoria, is there anything else I can do to help you finish up for the evening?
You know what?
I need you to leave my kitchen right now.
Great, see you tomorrow.
Don't leave me. You okay? Oh, I'm so sorry, baby. It's not what you think. It can't be.
Cut.